at Mindy's Craft Shack. Before we get started, go ahead, click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. So today's video is going to be a little short. Been kind of busy doing my cups, getting those ready for the fair that I'm doing in June or July, end of July. The fair that I'm doing in July. So I got a good start on those. And then I had one request from someone to make a cup for them. So I started that. Other than that, Etsy has been really slow. I've been getting a lot of views, a lot of people like passing through, but no sales. And I'm like, God, what's going on? Why am I not getting sales? You know, I was thinking Mother's Day's coming. You know, I've been told that around Mother's Day it starts picking up. I haven't had any luck, but I'm gonna stick to it. Hang in there. I guess one of the reasons is because that, you know, sales are kind of slow. It all ties in with the pandemic and restrictions lifting and all that. So what do people want to do? Because they've been locked up for a year now, they want to get out. They want to go shopping and explore again, touch things, and totally understandable. So I want to take this time that I have and kind of rebrand my shop. I'm going to continue with my cups because I love doing my cups. But there's a lot of other things that I like doing also and that I've done in the past. And so I want to kind of start incorporating some of those crafts and selling those. So I'm gonna start, you know, taking this time. I might as well. You know, when I first opened up my Etsy shop, I wanted it to be like a little gift store. And I was kind of turned away from that because of things that I had heard. You don't want to have too many different things in your shop. People won't know what your shop is all about, you know, stuff like that. But you go on to some of these shops on Etsy and it shows some people that have many different things that they've made and they're doing great, you know. So I was thinking, well, why can't I do that? You know, doesn't it all come down to how you present everything? I don't know, so I'm gonna try it. So that's where I'm gonna go with my Etsy shop. Another thing that I really started doing and kind of incorporating this in with my Etsy and stuff like that is I'm building up my social media. I'm making sure that every day I'm putting up a new thing on TikTok. Let's see, I'm on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and I'm trying out Pinterest. I haven't really caught on to the Pinterest thing. You know, do I just start liking things and saving pins and make my own pins? How do people get to my pins? How do they find my pins? You know, how do my pins get out there? I'm just not wrapping my head around it. So I'm doing a little bit of educating myself on how Pinterest works and how your pins get out there and stuff like that. So as I learn, or if anybody knows how to use Pinterest, you know, message me something. If you've got some good ideas out there, I would love to hear them. So yeah, if you want to check out my TikTok, it's under Mindy's Craft Shack. Facebook, I've got a Facebook group that I'm trying to build. I think I have 88 or 89 people in it. So yeah, my Facebook group is Mindy's Craft Shack group. It's a private group, so head on over there, and everything will be down in the description below. You can go look up my Etsy shop and stuff like that. You can, join my Facebook group if you want. Follow my page. I've got a Facebook page, just Mindy's Craft Shack. I've got an Instagram, Mindy's Craft Shack. Just Mindy's Craft Shack, everything. So yeah, I have all those social medias, plus my YouTube. I love my YouTube. I really enjoy doing these videos. I really enjoy the fact that I can, help others, connect with others. I just think it's great. I made that goal of getting 500 subscriptions by the end of May. And I actually, let's see, this morning I was up to 360. So I only have 140 more to go. So, like I said at the beginning, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do it. All right, so unfortunately, I didn't get to the airbrush machine this last week. I was going to show you how it worked and all that, but I didn't get to it. So, and I don't think I'll be able to get to it this week because I'm working extra hours at the hospital. So it might be in a couple weeks, but I promise I will get to it. Enough talking. Let's go ahead, watch the short video. It's real short this week. And let's go have some fun. Like I had mentioned in the opening of this vlog, I worked on a few of my cups to get them ready for the fair. This is one of them. I'm just getting some epoxy on them. I think I have one where it's my sunflower cup, and then I'm doing a couple of others that I'll be glittering. Here's the sunflower cup. This one was actually my best seller last year. It's funny because it was my first video I did for YouTube, and it sold the most in my Etsy shop last year. And glittering. I really have a lot of fun glittering these cups. I don't know what it is about glitter, but I love messing around with it. This cup I'm actually going to do a gold bottom and then purple on the top, and I thought, what can I make out of it? And I thought, well, I think I'll do a leopard print. So I'll probably end up doing leopard print on the bottom, and then some saying on the top, or maybe the messy bun lady with leopard glasses. I don't know yet. All right, I'm back. So this week's cup that I'm premiering for Saturday is a tooled leather tumbler. And mine, I did a turquoise peekaboo tooled leather tumbler. And I messed up on it. I was so angry. It came out really good until I put the epoxy on. So this video on Saturday will be showing you how I did it and what the mistake was. And it'll show you not to make that mistake. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell for new notifications of upcoming videos. Also, leave a comment down below with any questions you might have, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Bye!